Warning: product manufacturer warranty will be void if the fixture is tampered with and/or not installed according to the manufacturer instructions. This is the VCL Jbox mounting instructions. Step 1. Turn the power off to the fixture. Step 2. Remove the Jbox cover. Step 3. Attach the surface mount plate that has the large opening to the Jbox with screws. Step 4. Place the fixture mounting plate over the fixture wires and attach it with washers and nuts as shown. Step 5. Hook the fixture mounting plate on the hinge tabs of the surface mount plate. Step 6. If dimming is not used, cap the pink and purple dimmer wires with wire nuts. Step 7. Connect the green ground wire from the fixture to the green ground wire from house power. Step 8. Connect the white neutral wire from the fixture to the white neutral wire from house power. Step 9. Connect the black hot wire from the fixture to the black hot wire from house power. Step 10. Push the wires into the Jbox and push up on the fixture into the mounting plate until you hear a click. Step 11. Turn the power back onto the fixture. This concludes the VCL Jbox mount and wiring instructions.